Okay, guys, what up, man? This is a boy Dennis here again. Today I'm coming with a brand new video. I'm going to show you step by step on how you can make money online, and also I'm going to show you the blueprint that I use to generate income online, and also I'm going to show you my proof on how I make money online. As you can see, I'm using a JVZoo. This is what I'm going to use today. JVZoo. This is a real account. This is my account. As you can see, this real account is not a screenshot that I took from someone. This is a real account. I can also refresh here so that you can see that it's really nothing fake. As you can see, I did refresh. You can see my earnings here. I can see there's one for $80 and 50 cents, 24 US dollar and 50 cents, 33. 50 cent, 23 and 50 cent, totally 130 US dollars. This with the free traffic, guys, or with the traffic that I'm going to show you today here. So stick with me with the until the end so that you won't miss anything, you know. So these are my earnings, guys. As you can see, there's nothing crap or nothing scam. This is the real money, and yeah, so that's it. The thing that I like in JVZoo, you can cash out your earnings anytime using you can either use a PayPal, Payoneer, and some more a payments method, you know. So that's what I like about JVZoo. So how are we going to use the JVZoo to make money? Actually, you just come here with say affiliate, and you come here with say find the products. The JVZoo, they have a lot of product that you can use to promote and make some income, you know, as an affiliate. So, wait, sorry. Here, once you come here, it's a affiliate. You're gonna see something like this. Yeah. These are products that you're going to promote. You have to choose what kind of product you have to choose to promote for, you know. And also the software that I'm going to review today, I'm going to leave the link in the description below so that you can follow and start generating this kind of sales daily, you know. So it's up to you either is if you want or not. It's up to you. I'm not here to encourage you to start buying the application that I'm promoting. No, I'm here only to show you on how you can make money online, and that is possible. There's nothing is impossible, you know. So once you are here, just choose any kind of product. Let me say actually let me say how to promote this. And when you're in JVZoo, please don't choose the product an old product. Just make sure you choose the new product, because the old product actually they don't sell. And also make sure you check the refund rate, because if you choose a product which got high refund rate, it means you're not going to make any sale, or if you make a sale, people they're going to refund it. It means they don't like it. So make sure you choose a product which got a refund rate like this one. As you can see, for 4.74%. Yeah, these are good. As you can see, this, but don't choose more than a 10, more than a this. Don't try this. This is a good high refund rate. It means if someone buy, obviously they won't like it and they're gonna refund it, so you're gonna lose your money, you know. So make sure you choose the product which is under 10% refund rate. So those one, yeah, obviously even if someone buy, they're gonna like it, they won't refund it. So that's it. So what you have to do when you're here, actually you just come here. For the sake of this video, I'm gonna just choose this one. Just come here and say request approve. Oh, wait, I think my Wi-Fi is not okay. I'm gonna fix this. So once you're here, as you can see here, what you have to do, you have to request for a vendor an approval for you to start promoting their product, because most of them, they won't approve you because you are new, you don't have any sales skills, you never sell online, so they won't approve you. They're afraid that you can just spam the link everywhere and you're not going to make any sales, so they're scared. So what you have to do, just say something like, hey, I'm an affiliate. I have experience on how to promote this kind of product. So can you approve, please? Then the vendor is going to review your approve. If he sees that yeah, you can do that, then it's going to approve. But mostly they won't approve you because you are new. So just try it as many products as you can. Just try new products, not an old product, because if you try an old product, you're not going to make any sales because they've got a lot of competition. Most of people are promoting, most of big affiliates are promoting those products. So you're not going to make sale. You're going to be competing with those big affiliate marketeers, So just make sure that you choose the new products so that you can be able to generate more money. So once you've done that, once you write an request, just come here where it says, I have read and followed the end instruction in the vendor's message above. Just click here and also make sure you are not a robot and click and approve. So once you've done that, they're going to send an email address. You're going to check your email address to confirm. They're going to check once they send you, once you receive the message that you have been approved as an affiliate, you're going to copy the link. Once you copy the link, let me assume that that is the link. Just copy. Once you copy the link, what you have to do, you come to the website called the website that I'm going to leave the link in the description. But first, before I'm going further, you go first to the Facebook. Here, the Facebook. Once you're in Facebook here, go to the groups that are related of what you're promoting for. Like, let me say I'm promoting something about making money online, because that's what I do always. So I'm going to go to Facebook and type and search make money online. These are the groups that they're going to come in front of me, As you can see, some of groups, they got a lot of followers, 229,000. This one 36,000. This one 73,000. A lot of them. So make sure you join all this group. And once you join this group, what you have to do is to start promoting your link from JVZoo. Just make sure you don't spam. You don't just post the link and leave it like that. Most of these admins, they're not going to accept you because you're just spamming people. They're going to think like you're spamming people. What you have to do is you have to write something unique. Make sure you write something like 500 words, clear and nice one about the product, how it does, how it can solve people's problems. To do that, how are you going to know that? First, you have to go to the let me assume you're promoting this product. Just go to their sales page and copy the information about what the product which does, everything. Once you've done that, then go back to Facebook groups. Make sure you write something unique. Once you've done that, then post. Once you post, most of people, they're going to like, some they won't. It is like that, Make sure you do you post to as many groups as you can so that you get most of customers. Once you've done that, most of them, they're gonna buy. Most of them, they're gonna ignore you. That's what the business is, man. But for me, that is not a good way to do affiliate marketing. That's why I said I'm gonna leave the link in the description below, so that you can follow that. And this software, it's just an automatic one. What you have to do is you just paste the link and the name of the product that you're promoting, then you're good to go. The software is going to do everything for you. What they're going to do is, as you can see here, this software is it's called Done For You Suite 3.0. This is the best high quality done for you content syndication platform for delivering rankings. Just listen. It doesn't matter if you have a website, if you have a YouTube channel, if you have anything. This is going to help you to rank your website or anything that you're promoting. So it's going to help you to to rank, to drive traffic and sales. This is insane, guys. This is amazing. It's going to help you to drive traffic and sales also to your customers, you know, on a silver plat back. This is what I like about this software. As I said, I'm going to leave the link in the description below. If you don't want this, to use this one, actually, you can just use the main method that I said, as going to the groups of Facebook. Also, it doesn't matter, you can use them. But if you want to start getting fast results, you can use this software. And also, if you see that you can't afford, because this software is only, I think, 35 US dollars. Yeah, it's not that expensive. Only 35 US dollars, then you're good to go. Also, you can use Instagram. If you don't have money to buy this, you can use an Instagram also. Just make sure you put your link in your bio. Just tell the people that, hey, I'm promoting this product called what you can do, something like this. The link is in the bio. People, they're gonna follow. They're gonna follow. But that, it takes time, because you have to build in trust with people. But this software, there's nothing, because this one is going to do everything automatic, step by step. So that's what I like about this. So, but it doesn't matter if you don't have money, you can use the method that I mentioned, but it's going to take time. So this is it. This software also is said, as you can see, what it's going to do for is one of the best converting offers since 2019. It's back with a better and more distributable features, and also over 25,000 sales, and blah 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 in close to date. It's also 100% unique, done for you, high quality content syndication, and also powerful credit based launch model for long-term recurring commission. And also we have so yeah, that's it, guys. I'm not gonna go step by step everything to explain it. You're gonna go and check by yourself that for the link that I'm gonna leave in the description below. So yeah, that's it, guys. So I hope you enjoyed, guys, this video. You're gonna go yourself and check and decide whether you can purchase this or not. So that's it, guys. I hope you understand, you enjoy everything. If you don't understand everything, you can leave the comment in the description below, and I'll be able to answer all the comments that you guys ask. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you